the top color is bigger than the under color. Why is that? Welcome to another episode of Ask Nino Via. You got questions in fashion designing? I've got answers. Let's go. So a few students have asked me that question, so I'm gonna answer that right now. Colors are made up of the top color and the under color. There are two pieces to it, right? See that? There's two pieces to the color. So the top color has to be bigger than the under color. Why is that? So I've put together, this is a piece of paper, but to get the point across, you'll see. Now, I have a top color and I have an under color, right? Top color, under color. So as the color is folded over, look what happens. So I've taken these two pieces of paper, I've stapled it one top section. Why? Because this section gets sewn into the neckline, so it doesn't change, that stays the same. But watch what happens when you roll the collar over. When you roll the collar over, you can see the red, see that little red paper underneath? That's the undercolor showing. That's the undercolor. You don't want that. You don't want the undercolor to show, right? So we have to make the top color bigger to compensate for that. That is the reason why the top color is bigger. Now, if the fabric is very, very lightweight, chances are you could get away with making both top and under the same. But if it's a heavier, thicker material, you should do the top color bigger than the under color. There you go. See you next time.